What if I told you that quitting just 3 things could completely transform your energy, your mood, your body, and your focus in only 90 days? No crazy diets, no extreme workouts, just cutting sugar, alcohol, and endless scrolling. I did exactly that at the start of 2026, and the results honestly shocked me. Here's what actually happened to my body and mind. Like a lot of Americans, I was stuck in a rut. I was drinking a couple beers most nights, eating way too much sugar, and doom scrolling on my phone for 3 to 4 hours every single day. I felt tired all the time. My belly was getting bigger, and my focus was completely shot. So on January 1st, I made a commitment. 90 days with 0 added sugar, 0 alcohol, and no mindless scrolling. Only 30 minutes of purposeful use per day. Here's what changed. First, my body. By day 30, the constant bloating and afternoon crashes were gone. I lost 12 pounds of mostly fat without counting calories. My skin cleared up, and the dark circles under my eyes disappeared. By day 60, my energy was through the roof. I was waking up naturally at 6 a.m. feeling rested. My workouts got stronger. I added muscle and dropped another 8 pounds. Total weight loss, 22 pounds. By day 90, my waist shrank by almost 4 inches. Inflammation was way down, and I felt lighter and stronger than I had in years. Even my doctor noticed the difference in my blood work. Better blood sugar, lower triglycerides, and improved cholesterol. Now the mental side, this was even bigger. The first 2 weeks were rough, with cravings and boredom. But after that, my mind became incredibly sharp. Brain fog disappeared. I could focus for hours without distraction. My mood stabilized. No more roller coaster of sugar highs and crashes, or the anxiety that came with endless scrolling. I felt calmer, happier, and more present with my family. Productivity exploded. I finished projects I'd been putting off for months. My sleep improved dramatically. Deep, restful sleep every night. The best part, I got my time back. Those 3 to 4 hours of scrolling became time for reading, exercising, and actually living life. Quitting sugar, alcohol, and doom scrolling for 90 days didn't just change my body. It changed my entire life. I have more energy, clarity, and confidence than ever before. If you're feeling stuck, tired, or distracted in 2026, try this challenge. Even 30 days will show you what's possible. Comment 90 days below if you're starting this challenge. Save this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more real transformation stories. You've got one body and one mind. Treat them right. Let's make 2026 your healthiest year yet.